Hey, how's it going? Nick Ashby from Rockstar Garage. Today I'm here to talk to you about Torchmate and how it's changed the way we work within our garage. About 3 or 4 years ago, we were approached with the idea of putting a table inside our garage. We looked at both the 4-foot, and the 8-foot tables. Since we put the 8-foot table in, I was really worried, about a few things. One being cost to operate. 2, could we operate it? We're a very, what I would call, light fabrication shop in some situations. We don't mass produce parts, so would a table really work it for us? I used to be one of those guys that would hand cut everything with my plasma, and then I would literally go into a situation where I would put some metal on a vise and start bending it to what I want. And I started to realize that those little pieces and those little intricate things that you can do with a table really make your work look that much better. So, and it's a little bit easier just to go in there with a piece of paper, draw something out the way you want it, scan it in to your software, and then just put it on the table and cut it. And then you have the piece. You don't have to fine tune things. We don't jump between a lot of gauges of material very often. We normally stay around 3/16. I can usually get 2 full sheets before I even have to change out a tip on my plasma. You're talking your consumables are maybe $10 a piece. So really the amount of stuff that we're cutting, we're going through $10 or $20 worth of consumables a month, where a water jet or a laser, like those consumables are a lot more money. So when you look at gridlock, and this is one of the biggest builds I would say we've used our table with, from our bump pad mounts, to our front end that we have on this, to gussets, to power steering mounts, to trusses, everything was cut and made on our table and then welded in place. In the last month or so, we pulled it out for cleaning and that kind of stuff of our shop. It's insane to see where we were without a table, what we could do with a table, and for the last month, how long it's taken to get little things done without having our table. It's definitely become one of those crucial pieces of shop equipment that we use. So if you don't have one of those tables, I would definitely check one out. Again, they have the 4-foot and the 8-foot. They even have like some crazy downdraft styles. Whether it's a piece of 1/8" material, going all the way up to, I think the most we've cut are these bracket mounts for an 8-piston brake that's 1/2 inch thick. And it literally took one time and we were done. We cut it, we didn't have to go to another shop 7 different times measuring things and doing things and having them cut it, we just cut it ourselves. 2 years later, still works great. So again, thanks Torchmate for the opportunity to work with you guys. And if you haven't checked out one of their tables, make sure you do.